Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. I hope you guys are doing well. So I've already done a video on facial hair removal, but this video is slightly different. It's more effective and the ingredients are different. So this is going to be really simple. So let's start with the video. So the three ingredients are gelatin, lime and some milk. So I have about 1 spoon of gelatin. I'm going to add some milk to this. This is approximately 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to squeeze in some lemon juice. I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. So now we'll use the double boiling technique. I'm going to get some hot water, place this cup over it and let the gelatin melt. So you'll need a consistency like this, and I'm going to apply it on my face now. Concentrate mainly on this part and your upper lip area. So concentrate more on this part of your face and your upper lips because you have more hair around this area. So guys, this is taking a really lot of time. I'm trying to get rid of this. Once this is out, I'll show you the end result. So guys, try this and it will hurt, but trust me, once you try this, you will definitely get rid of all the unwanted facial hair. So please like this video. I've taken a lot of pain removing all this facial hair. It was just for you guys. Please try this and I will see you soon guys. Bye.